All right, first day in Austin. What do you think, Chuy?
It's beautiful.
It's pretty great. Good weather. Kind of cloudy today. Um, Reminds me of Seattle right now, but flat. It's really flat. It's great.
Where you going flat?
Hotel looks like a Coliseum. Like I'm in Rome. So much going on. Right, Chuy?
Oh yeah.
Look at this. Holy crap. Just the Alright, got our tacos, got our chata over here, got our food, our tacos, about to eat one. This place is called Veracruz. It's in downtown Austin. I'm gonna take my first bite. Oh crap, it fell. Highly recommend it, guys. Really good. Best street tacos so far. Very natural, very good. You won't be disappointed. Doesn't it stop? Check out this dude. It's freaking huge. It's outside the biology and chemistry building in UT Austin. It's freaking crazy. Holy crap. Got my friend Jesus tire over here. He's been dying. He's needed water. Where's your water bottle?
It's almost gone.
Yeah, it's 80 degrees out. It's hot out here. Humid, but it's good. Good weather. Good to escape the 60-degree weather.
Oh, your
Finally, food for the tummy after exercising. Holy crap!
I'm searing it still with that plate.
We didn't have a lot of steak. Are we going to the Capitol? Alright.
Hopefully nothing happens. This is Titanic.
Are you gonna
2.
fall off? Sure.
You
You don't
might
know how to
have to
swim,
push me
though.
off. No, I
You
do
don't
know
know
how to swim. God, no.
We don't have any gas-powered motors. Gas-powered moters are banned on this body of water now because of that Town Lake Beautification Committee. The only gas-powered motors you'll see are the handful of rowing clubs with their I don't think his mom loved him. So the third of that is a little tail. How they get the name Mexican Freetail Bat.